Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to contact Facebook customer service or get help from Facebook representative. Contacting Facebook customer service is not easy as contacting other companies such as Amazon or Apple. When you have some issues with Facebook account or your Facebook page, it looks like that the only option to resolve the issue is going to the help center. Because every time you are looking for the customer service contact information, Facebook always redirect you to its help center. So it is really tough to get connected one-on-one with the Facebook representative. Recently I have an issue with my Facebook page and I was unable to resolve it. So I wanted to talk live to a Facebook customer representative. It took me a couple of days of scanning all possible information to actually get a link to contact with Facebook support. So in this video, I will show you how you can contact to the customer service live chat so that you don't have to waste any time as I did. So without further ado, let's start today's video. So if you have any issue with your Facebook profile or Facebook page, then the best way to resolve it is to go to its help center and find proper information on how you can solve that problem. But if you are unable to resolve the issue from help center, then there is an way to contact with the Facebook customer representative so that you can chat one-on-one and you can explain your issue with them so that they will help you. So here my issue was my page is in a classic mode and I wanted to upgrade it to new look experience, and which I was not able to do by myself, and so that I wanted to contact the customer service, and I went to help center and look for every possible information that I could get, but still I was not able to contact the Facebook customer service. Finally, while scrolling through the pages, I found one option to contact, so that I am going to show that information to you and how you can contact. For that, go to the help center. You can find the option help center from the top right drop down option, and from there go to help center. In the help center, if you go down, you can find looking for something else, and from there you click on visit business help center. Once you click to business help center, then you will reach to this page, and in this page also you will find number of options, and if you click on any of these options, they are also the detailed description of your problem or how to solve them, but still you will not get any contact information from that also. So when you go to bottom of the page, you will find support option. Click on support. When you click on support, you see that need help with advertising, and you have to click on this link. Though you are not contacting regarding advertising, but also if you go through this link, then this link will display several other options so that you can choose the option that is relevant to you. So here you can see I have contacted Facebook a couple of times before. Now you want to choose the profile or the page where you have issues, and if you click there, then you will reach to next option. From that option, different options, you choose the option that is relevant to you. So after you choose the relevant option, then it still shows the information on how you can resolve that issue. It will again display the same information as of help center, and at the bottom you can see the contact support option. So once you click contact support option, there are some of your personal details you have to put there, or any inquiry you can put there, and if you have a screenshot of some of the issues or errors, then you can attach them here and do next. So after this, it will take you to the messenger where you can chat with the Facebook representative. You can see it here that you are connected with the messenger with the Facebook support team, and one of the representative will be available soon, and you can talk them directly. You can explain all the situation that you are facing and they will be able to help you. In this way you will be able to contact Facebook support representative. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you find this information useful, then give it a like and consider subscribing. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.